everybody. Today we're going to get ready because tomorrow we have a test. So here's the problem that we are working on. It's the same one as yesterday. Yesterday, we talked about how to decide if a problem is multiplication or division. So we saw problem number 1, how much will tickets cost for everyone? And we had to take the number of people and the price of the ticket to find out the total price. So because we are multiplying a group by, in this case, the price of the item in the group to find a total, that's multiplication. Number 2, how many rooms will they need to reserve? We start with a total and we divide it up by how many people are in each room. So that's division. Now, number 3, our answer is the total, right? We have the number of rooms and the price for one room. So again, we have a group and the cost of the things in the group, and we're getting a total. So we're multiplying. And the last one, after paying the admission, they had $3,126 left over. How many nights can the whole group stay at the hotel with this amount of money? So we start with how much money they have, and we're dividing it by the price for each night to find out the number of nights they can stay. So that's division. And most of you were able to figure that out. So good job. That means you really understand multiplication and division. One thing you might notice is that sometimes you have to use the information from one problem in the next problem. Like the answer for number 2 tells us how many rooms the group will have. Now in number 3, I need to use that to find the answer. And the answer is the total price for a night? Well, hey, I need that for number 4. So remember, all the questions connect to each other. You might have to use information from one problem to solve the next one. So don't forget that the information might all be connected. So here's an example of how I expect you to solve a problem on a 5th grade test. So this is problem number 1. How much will tickets cost for everyone? You can see this person did the math for the adults. They did the math for the students. They showed their work. And they said that it's the number of people times the price of a ticket equals the total price for that group. Then down here at the bottom, they added up the price for adults plus the price for kids to get the total. And here's their answer. For everyone, the tickets will cost $5,181. So they answered in a complete sentence. Now again, they labeled their work. So this is students, they wrote students. This is adults, they wrote adults. They answered in a complete sentence. And they showed their work. They showed how they got the answer. So today, you're going to try practice problems 2 through 4. And I'll give you feedback to let you know if there's anything you missed. Tomorrow, we'll have a test that's really similar to these practice problems. So remember, label, show your work, and answer in a sentence. Let's go. I think you guys got this.